Create a line at specific coordinate. Select the command. Give the x and y value. X as 50, comma, and y as 50. The first point is created. Again, your x value is 50, comma, y value is 150. The second point of a line is created. Then again, specify x value as 250, y value as 150. A second line is created. Press enter to exit the command. If you are using dynamic input mode, select the command. Give the first value as x 250, then press tab, then give the y value, then press enter. First point of the line is created. Then press hash, then give the x value first, press comma, then give the y value. Then again press hash, then give the x value first, press comma, then give the y value, and click enter to exit the command. Like this, we can create a line in a specific coordinate.